Hey everybody, this is Donnie Vaughn of the Marketing Twins of the Marketing Twins Help YouTube channel. I want to direct you to this video if you are interested in learning how to manage the shortcuts of any pages or in some cases groups that you are a part of, especially those that you manage. And so I want to just focus on that for just a second. Here are some pages that I manage here that I have on my shortcuts because I tend to go to these pages more frequently than others. So if you are managing a new page or managing a group and you want to have this easier to access, you can put it on your shortcuts here. And the way to do that at this particular time is to edit your shortcuts. And here you can add certain groups and pages that you manage. And then once you have those in here, you can see that some of these I already have, and I have them pinned to top. That's why if you see over here, these are showing up first, and then these others are just sorted automatically the way that Facebook wants them to manage. And you could adjust these because you can see more here, and that expands that a little bit. But let's say you want to have certain ones pinned to the top. So I'm going to take this particular one here, and I'm going to move that to sorted automatically. And if I save that, and then I'll need to refresh my browser, and it may adjust that here. But now I want to go and take one of these. I'm going to take our Marketing Twins page, which I believe I've got here, and move that to pin to top. And now that pushed that up to there. So you see how that is. So I've still got more on here. I can still see Jenny's Run for Hope here. But when it initially comes in, you'll see that I've got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 of these that are set, and then I can adjust those as needed. So anyway, I hope that's helpful for you. Thanks.